Welcome back to Ctube channel. Today we're diving into the differences between sweepbands and elbows. When it comes to electrical conduit system, choosing the right fittings can make a safe installation. Firstly, let's talk about sweepbands. A sweepband is a long radius curved fittings used for smooth directional changes. It's ideal for projects where cable integrity is important, offering a gentle curve to reduce stress on the wires. Sweepbands help reduce friction, making cable pulling easier and preventing potential damage to the wires. Unlike sweepband, elbows have a short radius and create a sharper turn in the conduit systems. They come in 90, 45, or 22.5 degree angles and are often used in tight spaces where a quick directional change is needed. Some elbows also provide open lid for engineers to easily check in the cables. Sweepbands provide smooth, gradual transitions, while elbows are designed for tight, sharp turns. Proper use of turnout fittings ensures smooth transitions for cables, preventing damage and reducing strain during installations. This not only improves system integrity and longevity, but also enhances safety and comply with industrial standards. At Ctube, we offer a wide range of high-quality conduit fittings, including both sweepbands and elbows. With features like UV resistance, impact strength, and complying with different standards in the world, Ctube's fittings are built to long-lasting. Our sweepband and elbow feature high compression resistance and operate effectively across a wide temperature range of -15 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius, making them suitable for diverse environments from extreme cold to high heat. Available in various sizes and colors, our products cater to multiple applications while offering customization options to meet your specific project requirements. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about our products, follow our channel or contact us directly. Good luck with your projects.